Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on reverse bay parking. In this video, I'll be going over a simple process and a simple method that you can use to reverse park your car. It's also easy to remember and gives you some concrete reference points to work with. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll actually start the driving lesson. As you can see right here, I'm in a nice empty parking lot and I'm ready to show you how to reverse bay park. Now the first thing that you have to do is pull up towards the bay, okay? And you want to choose one of the parking spots. And you're going to pull up and put your signal on, and you're going to stop at a certain point. Now, when you're doing all this, you want to make sure that you've checked your mirrors, you've checked your blind spots, you've looked around the car, that it's safe to proceed. You're going to make sure that it's safe to proceed before you do anything that I say in this video. You always want to make sure that safety is your absolute priority when you're driving. So I'm going to actually pull up over here. I'm going to put my left signal on because we're going to choose a spot on the left over here. So I'm going to pull up, put my left signal on, and I'll tell you where I'm going to stop. I'm going to try and do this hopefully where the sun is not obstructing where I want to park. So I've pulled up right here and I've stopped right here. Now I'll tell you exactly why I stopped right over here. Okay, I actually have to move up just a bit right there. So I've stopped right here. Now I've stopped at a parking spot where my shoulder is lined up in the center of this spot, and it's the second spot ahead of the one that I want to park in. So I actually want to park in this spot over here. So I drove past it, which this is the first spot ahead. This is the second spot ahead. My shoulder's lined up roughly in the middle of that spot. Now here's the thing. These are reference points to work with. You're gonna have to practice this and you're gonna have to see whether or not these reference points work for you in your car. Now you might have to go a little bit further ahead, a little bit further back, but you know, these are concrete reference points that work with the majority of cars very well. So practice them and see what you have to do to perfect your reverse parking method. Now that I'm here, my left turn signal's on. I'm going to check my mirrors. Okay, I'm going to check my blind spots. I'm going to turn my head all the way around. Make sure that I am not causing that I'm clear, that I'm not causing any sort of traffic in the parking lot. Make sure that I'm clear to actually proceed. There's no cars, no obstructions, no pedestrians, so I'm ready to go. Next is turning the wheel all the way towards the parking spot. The wheel is all the way on the left. The parking spot is on the left, so I'm turning the wheel all the way to the left. I'm going to put the gear selector in reverse, and I'm going to hold the wheel there, and I'm going to start to proceed backwards. Now, as I'm proceeding backwards, I'm turning my head. I'm looking everywhere, constantly checking my mirrors, turning my head all the way around, and you want to pay attention to your mirrors. Okay? Now, you're going to pay attention to your mirrors and also keep looking around, but your mirrors are going to tell you where you are in that parking spot, and I'm holding the wheel all the way to the left throughout this entire process. So as you can see right here, I can actually see that line in this mirror. That is one of the lines of the parking spot, and I can't see the other line just yet, but I will in just a moment. I'm going to continue proceeding backwards while checking all of my surroundings of the car. As you can see right there, there's the line of the parking spot, and I'm almost able to see the other one. I'm going to keep turning the car. Now I'm basically straight in the parking spot. I'm parallel in the parking spot. There's one of the lines, and I'll try and show you the other one. There is the other line right there. So I'm a little bit close to the right side, okay? But this is just, you know, the first step for practicing. So when you're straight in the parking spot, right now my car is absolutely straight in the parking spot. You want to straighten your wheel. So if you've turned all the way to one side, you want to turn 1.5 directions back, the opposite way. So I'm going to turn 1.5 turns the opposite way. Now I'm going to reverse, continue to reverse, and as you can see, I'm reversing straight. So I'm reversing straight back, continually turning my head, and I'm going to stop, you know, before I hit anything that is behind the car, obviously. Then you're going to put the car in park, maybe engage the parking brake like I did, and as you can see, I have reverse parked in this parking spot, in the bay. Now check this out, I'm going to open the door. This is how I like to check. Now as you can see right here, I'm a little bit far from this line, but I am in the parking spot. And what I'll do is I'll actually let's get out of the car just to show you. Let's get out. It's an empty parking lot, there's nobody around. As you can see over here, that I am in the parking spot. So you can see I'm in between the lines. I'm a little bit closer to this side, but the thing is, as you practice as you get better, you're gonna learn how to correct that. You're gonna learn what to do in order to actually get a perfect park every single time. So basically, as you do that, you want to practice that first, and then you're going to learn how to correct it, which is actually very simple. And I'll probably do a different video on specifically on correcting a reverse park in the future. Actually, I'm going to add that to the video list right now, so hopefully I'll do it sooner than I had originally planned. And that's basically it. That is how to reverse bay park, how to reverse park a car in a parking spot. It's actually a very simple process. I've given you concrete examples to work with. And obviously, when I said to line up your shoulder with the center of the spot, okay, once again, the center of the spot, that's 2 spots ahead of the one that you want to park in, you know, you can use that as a reference point. But for your car, you might have to go a little bit further up. You might have to stay a little bit further behind by a couple of inches further up or further behind. You have to figure that out for your own car. But that's a good reference point that will work with the majority of cars, okay? And you can use that reference point and then develop your own strategy to perfect that reverse park. And that's basically it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Did you like this tutorial? Was it helpful for you? Do you use the same method? Let me know as a comment down below. Do you use a different method? Let me know what it is down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.